Hi everyone, my name is Clara Quinquilla. I am Drone Segment Manager at HP 3D Printing Solutions, and we are really excited this year to be exhibiting here at Xponential.
My name is Caleb Christensen. I'm a Senior Account Manager with Forecast 3D. In 2016, we were an early adopter and partnered with Hewlett-Packard on the multi-jet fusion technology and have been the world's largest user of MJF ever since. With over 45 systems, we build and ship millions of parts every year. The UAV uncrewed systems market has been growing exponentially, and MJF is the perfect technology to fulfill that industry's needs.
Hi, I'm Robert Miller, the founder of the iAbove Wildlife Drone Conservation Project, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Bush Ranger. The general perception was that aircraft had not been, or unmanned aircraft had not been effective in anti-poaching. We realized quickly there was no aircraft actually designed for this task. There was no aircraft that was strong enough to do what it needed. They had a long enough flight time that was easy enough to repair in the field. So we took an additive manufacturing approach and we designed an aircraft specifically to do this.
My name is James McLaren. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Blue Flight. We specialize in cargo delivery drones. The main manufacturing procedures of this aircraft are carbon fiber and 3D printed materials. Specifically, we use MJF from HP for all of the structural components. The reason we like this material is very versatile, it's very strong, it's very accurate from a printing point of view. The reason that we leverage 3D printing so significantly is that since we are a pure OEM, since we sell to many different customers, we need to be adaptable. So the fact that we can leverage the HP MJF process allows us to have all different sort of antenna combinations, cameras, and it helps us meet the needs of all of our various customers.
Hi, I'm Drew Camden, COO of Unusual Machines, and we are at AUVSI Expo 2025. 3D printing and FPV drones really go hand in hand because of the design flexibility and how you want to be able to make rapid iterations to designs. Drones change so quickly, and so not being locked into a given mold or something like that is really perfect for our product line and what our customers expect. We've done a lot with more traditional styles of 3D printing, and we were really excited to be able to move these parts to MJF because we were able to actually lower our cost basis for these parts.